It's a common assumption that the body and mind are separate entities. However, that is not so. The brain receives information through the senses and movement. This is why physical movement supports the brain's learning ability more than we think. As a therapist, I'm also an educator. As an educator, I'm always looking for engaging ways to revitalize young and mature students' learning experience. A helpful, straightforward method of brain exercises. So how does brain help you to learn easier, you might ask? Brain exercises help the brain form new connections between the different parts of the brain, recruiting more parts of your brain to help with thinking and learning. Let me show you just one popular exercise right away. It is called the cross scroll. This crossover movement improves coordination between the left and right hemispheres of the brain, coordinating information that is received from the senses, such as seeing or hearing, to prepare the person, be it child or adult, for better, higher-level reasoning, such as problem-solving, critical thinking, organization, and calmness. Do the movement slowly. Try it yourself now and feel energized quickly and ready for action. You can use these exercises between lessons to help students remain mentally active. Besides helping with learning, brain movements also improve communication skills, creativity, and increase emotional resilience. The exercises apply to any age group and are equally beneficial.